This video covers how to export from Prover. The export feature is found under the main menu in the Search tab. You can export in DXF, Shape, MIF, CSV and KML formats. Choose your coordinate output system and then select which layers you wish to export. If you have any further queries on the information in this video or would like some assistance at any stage, please feel free to contact our support team at support@quickmap.co.nz or phone us on 0800 145 554.